Hello students, we are going to give first program, that is linear search. So first we write hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main, int item, the item to be searched, then we use I, printf, enter number of items, scanf item, n is the range or number of items, next we store each item with the help of a for loop for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, scanf, percentage d, ampersand, a of I is the array, we need to create the array, we have to declare the array, a of 50, suppose a of 20, so like this, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of n will be stored, a of, let's start this from 1 and we can give here equal to sign, so from 1 to n it will, from 1 it will start and it will store the array till n. Printf enter the item to be searched, using comments we can just add that linear search, enter the item to be searched, scanf, percentage. So enter the item to be searched, percentage D ampersand item. Next we will check each item. We will start a for loop for I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. We will use one if condition to check if item is present in that location or not. So if a of I equal to item, that is it is searching for the item, then printf item found at location item found at location percentage D I else continue. Continue means it will skip. If item is not found, it will skip the loop. SCH. Now let us run the program for linear search. Let us save it as linear search. Save as linear search. .c linear search.c s. Now let us run the program. Enter the number of items, suppose 5. Let us take the program once again. Let us open the file linear search linear search.c. So let us see. the item I n is the range a of 20 void main. This is for standard input output. This is so let us open our file. Hash include stereo.h, hash include conio.h, void main int item. Item is the item to be searched. Then we have I, n is the number of items, a of 20, scanf percentage d ampersand n. For I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. That is from 1 to n it will store the items. Then item to be searched, that is ampersand item. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. If a of I equal to item, then we have to say that item found at position percentage d I, else continue. Means it will skip if it is not found. So let us run the program. Enter number of items 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Enter the item to be searched, which is 5. So item found at position 4, so we get it correct. Now let us run it again. Enter number of items, suppose it is 6. Number of items 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. So 6 items. Enter the item to be searched, suppose 66. So it is found at location 6. So our program is correct. So this is our linear search program.